hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. It is late, but I wanted to put on my roast before I went to bed. I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy meal. I'll be making a roast. It's a rump roast right here. I got it from the meat section right there. You also be needing some broth. And if you have some bouillon cubes, some beef bouillon cubes, that would be great. But unfortunately, I don't have any. And also, if you had some a Crockpot liner, and I don't have that either, so please get you that. I also have some potatoes, I have some carrots, and I have onions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of this inside of my Crockpot, and then what I'm going to do is tomorrow my actual roast will be done and ready when I get up. Some people like to get it ready before they go to work. You can do that too, but I like to always usually do it before I go to bed. So I'm about to get this meat cleaned off. I'm about to put it inside of this crock pot. Clean out your crock pot too. And then I'm going to put the broth. But like I said, you guys, if you have your crock pot liner, go ahead and put your crock pot liner in it because it makes cleaning so much easier. I can't believe I forgot it. And you need your bouillon cubes. So let me get this cleaned up and get this inside of my actual crock pot. Okay? Okay, and I also forgot to tell you guys, you can use your garlic salt. I'm going to go ahead and put the garlic salt on the meat. You also can use some Worcester sauce. I'm probably not pronouncing it right, but I'm going to put this in the water. Not the water. I'm going to put this inside of the broth. You can use water if you don't have beef broth, but I do find when you have broth, to me it tastes better. And again, you guys, bouillon cubes also. Okay, I have seasoned the meat front and back. Go ahead and put you some of that Worcester sauce inside there. And you're going to go ahead and get your broth open. Get your broth open from the can opener. Put it inside of here. And go ahead and get these potatoes cut up also. Rinse them off and get them cut up. I always like to cut them into two. If you don't want to cut up your potatoes, just buy the small potatoes. And you can just throw them in there. You don't even got to worry about that. Okay? Okay, so I have my beef broth and my Worcester sauce inside of the crock pot. And if you have the bouillon cubes, this will be the time to put it in there. Put either 2 or 1 will work. That gives it great seasoning. Okay, I'll be using about this many potatoes. Again, I'm going to rinse these off and cut them in half and put them inside of the crock pot. Okay, so I cut my potatoes up. I'm about to put them in the crock pot. And it's funny how if you don't even fill up the crock pot with a bunch of water or your broth, it's going to get a lot of water. Once it start cooking, you'll see. I remember I used to be like, man, this is a little bit of water that I'm using. Read the back of your crock pot and it'll tell you how much water you're supposed to put or broth. Again, I put about that much, not a whole lot. And I'm about to add it to the actual potatoes to the collection. And I'm about to get these onions cut too. Okay, the potatoes are in there. Now I'm about to get the carrots and the onions cut up. And make sure you're cleaning up as you go, okay? Okay, here is the onions. I've cooked as many as I had. I just cut them up. You don't have to use this many. It's up to you. But the good thing about onions is give it flavor. And it's going to sink all the way down to the bottom. So it's not like you have to eat the onions, but they're just good for flavor. Okay, now the onions is in there. I just kind of swoop them all around, put them at the bottom. Make sure you evenly put them out and just throw them on top, okay? Okay, here is the carrots. Make sure you rinse them off. I cut them in half just a little bit. And now I'm about to put them inside of the crock pot. Okay, so everything is in there. What I'm about to do is get a bit of water. And I'm about to add a little bit of Himalayan salt to it. Because I like to always add that to my food. It makes it taste so good. But don't add too much, just a little bit. I'm going to probably add about that much water. So I can pour it inside of there. Okay? Okay guys, everything is in the crock pot. I'm going to put the crock pot on high. I am going to plug it up and it's going to be cooking overnight. And when I wake up in the morning, it's going to smell so freaking good. I'm telling you guys, this is really good. And like I said, I'm probably going to go to the store and get a bouillon cube. You always want it to be nice and seasoned. So just check it once it gets finished. See to your liking. See if you like it. If not, just add a little bit of seasoning. Not necessarily salt, but just seasoning. Season up real good. Okay guys, so I'll come back to you guys and let y'all see the end result. Don't forget to stay tuned to all my new videos. I have a lot of different videos showing you how to be able to cook quick and easy meals. Rate, comment, and subscribe and share this with your family. I'm going to be coming out with a lot of different videos to be able to cook quick and easy for the fall. Okay, bye guys. guys, it is officially done. It smells so good throughout the house, guys. That's why I told you it's best to make this at night, and when you wake up in the morning, you be like, oh my God. Now, one tip I wanted to tell you guys, and I kept stressing it through the video. Make sure you get a Crockpot liner. You see the mess that it puts on on here, and it's hard to clean off. That's the thing that I kind of hate about the Crockpot. But my client slash friend Adrian told me about a Crockpot liner, but I forgot it at the store. You get it in the grocery store over there by the aluminum foils and different things like that. If you can't find it, ask a cashier. You need to have a Crockpot liner, because now I got to clean up all this mess. If I had a Crockpot liner, I just close it just like you would the bag. You know, once it warms and get cool, you just throw it all in the trash like that. Okay, so this is the end result. Again, the steak is all down at the bottom, looking good. I got my carrots, potatoes, and the onions is down there also. Let me know, you guys, some new Crockpot tips that you're thinking of. But I love to be able to use the Crockpot when you're trying to go, like if you want to wake up in the morning and have you a nice some food ready. You can either eat this now, or you can eat it you know, later and just heat it up. And what I would do too, guys, put it on low if you are doing it overnight, because I think sometimes too when I put it on high, it makes it kind of do this. But anyway, guys, take care, be blessed. You can get one of these from Walmart, Dollar General, or any type of store like that. I know somebody was asking me, and you also can buy it online. Okay, be blessed, guys. Bye. I have to tell you guys, don't forget to make sure it's seasoned real good. Throw your bouillon cubes on there. That is a major must-have too. And then so you can get it seasoned. Try it before you serve it, because you want to make sure it's seasoned well. I'm going to clean all that. That's why I said you guys use a Crockpot liner. You won't have that problem right there. But and another thing, you guys, I'm going to go buy me some Jiffy muffins. I'm going to get probably apple or blueberry, and I'm going to make muffins with it. If you don't like muffins, that type of muffins, just get you some regular corn muffins. And I'm telling you guys, your family will love it. Hopefully that helped you guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.